Okay, this video is about some new features that YouTube has added if you're a partner. So when you go to your dashboard and you open it up, you're going to notice at the very center in the middle are these three little icons. The first one right here is an upload icon. The second one here is a go live or live stream icon. And the third one here is to create a post. Each of these do different things. So if you want to open this, you've got to double click on it. And what it does is opens this window. Now you have a choice. You could upload with Classic or you could upload with the new Studio Beta is what they call it. But let's just go ahead and close that out. And let's go back to Dashboard. And then if you double click this, it opens up the live stream, which I'm not going to go through that right now because you have to download some software and it's more complex. And so what we'll do is we'll do that on another day. Let's go back. And the last one is create a post. And when you click on this, it kind of goes to your channel page. And in there, you can do your posts. And it gives you the choice of a video, a poll, or an image. And I just put this one in just recently. But let's go ahead and go back. And so that's what those three icons do. Now you're going to need a lot more research on how to use them all because they each have a bunch of different functions in them. But if you go over here to create, it's the exact same thing. When I click on this, it gives me the upload into the beta or the upload into Creator Classic or go live or create a post, which are basically the same thing over here. See, the same icon, and the same icons. So that's one of the new features in YouTube Studio Beta. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use YouTube. They've almost got it completely done. So be watching for all these changes. All right, and like I said, check out my channel and peace out.